Now, looky there. We got snow. We got a half moon up there. And it looks like we got, about an inch and a half, maybe close to 2 inches. Well, looks like something melted when it hit the ground. There's a little bit of weight on the gazebo, but I think it'll be all right. That's going to melt later. It's supposed to get up to 40 degrees. Yeah, not much down the alleyway here. Yeah. Little cat paws. I mean, it looks pretty cool. Snow in the yard. Not a lot, but pretty neat on the trees. Of course, you can't really see them until I get closer. Yeah, I mean, overall, they're not weighting the tarps down too bad. Some of the old snow that got buried. But, yeah, I gotta work today, so I'll scrape the snow off the van and drive around a bit before I have to head on in. We'll see what's left, because it's supposed to get up to 40 degrees today, so this may not be sticking around. Yeah. Better uncover my van so I can drive. Amazingly, yeah, a little bit of ice on the driveway. We're at around 26, 25, 26, so yeah, let me get this van warmed up and scrape the snow off. Go ahead and take a quick drive around and see what it looks like out there. about did its job. The roads are actually in great shape now that it's above freezing and everything's melting except what's in the shade. Well, a little bit of ice here, but yeah. Our quick burst of snow is come and gone. Too bad I couldn't see it fall. I was asleep when it fell. So, oh well. Ooh, so a little bit of ice there that made me slide a bit. Alright, well, guess that'll wrap up our quick burst of a snowstorm that we had. I got snow up on top, but it doesn't seem to be too bad. So, yeah, it's not weighted down much at all. I'm just going to leave it. So, yeah, go back in and get warm. Until next time, adios.